Continuing the theme of answering questions, a few people have asked if you need to have a cut lawn before getting the Automower, and therefore if the first cut of the season would need to be done the old way, before setting the Automower loose. If you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know the Automower is only cutting around half the grass, to help illustrate the difference the Automower makes. The Automower could cut the whole area, but it would need to run almost 24/7. This means I have a lot of uncut grass after a couple of weeks. Before we start, let's set the cutting height to maximum, as is recommended for a new installation. This can be done easily in the Automower Connect app. To give the mower the fighting chance against the long grass, I'm also replacing the blades. Here you can see the usual boundary of the Automower and the grass that's been allowed to grow for the last week or so, about the length it would usually be at the first cut of the year. So let's set the Automower loose and see what happens. As you can see, the Automower moves through the long grass easily, although it is more flattening than cutting it, I expect. It makes good progress though, not getting stuck despite the long grass and uneven surface. It is moving slower than usual, and I expect this is due to the grass itself triggering the ultrasonic obstacle detection. It speeds up considerably when it gets back onto the shorter grass. As you can see, it's cut a small path in the middle of the track. To be honest, I didn't expect this to work at all, and I do expect, given enough time, it would probably manage to cut the whole garden back from this length, possibly going through a few sets of blades in the process. However, Husqvarna recommend that the grass is cut before using the Automower, and even then this is only cutting it once a year. The Automower keeps on top of it perfectly thereafter, so it seems like a good compromise. Thanks for watching, and thanks again to Husqvarna and McGregor Industrial Supplies. For more information, see automowerchallenge.co.uk, check out the blog, or follow me on Twitter. You can also follow the lawnmower on Twitter @AutomowerEdward.